Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.1, Problem 19. This is Section 4.1, Problem 19. It says find the value of the unknown number, and we have 42 over n equals 7 over 1/3. So we have a fraction. But the process is the same as the others. You just multiply across both ways and divide by the number in front of the n. So coming one way, I'll have 42 times 1/3, and then the other multiplication will be 7 times n. And we make those equal. So 7 times n is easier. I'll do that one first. It's just we write 7n. 42 times 1/3, because of the fraction, this seems tougher. It's not too bad. Off to the side, we'll make it 42 over 1 times 1 over 3. So we have a numerator and denominator for both. It does reduce if you happen to notice. If not, the top 42 times 1 is 42. Bottom times the bottom, 1 times 3 is 3. And now, if you didn't notice that it would reduce, this represents the division. 3 divides into 42. 3 divides into 4 once. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down the next digit, which is a 2. 3 divides into 12 evenly exactly 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Remainder is 0. So, 42 times 1/3 is 14. So I have 7n equals 14. And I want n equals, not 7n equals. I'd like to get rid of the 7. And the way I do that is divide the 14 from one side by the number in front of the n on the other side, which is 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So the value of the unknown number in this problem is 2.